Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm back with another crypto topic on how to add Coinbase on Google Authenticator. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Click open your web browser of your choice and log into your Coinbase account. In the web address bar that appears at the top, type in www.coinbase.com and press enter. Once you're signed into your Coinbase account on your desktop, go to your profile icon at the upper right-hand corner and click it on. In the pop-up menu, click on Settings. Now, from the top of the page, select Security. This is your security settings page. Scroll a bit down and right where it says Authenticator, click on the select button right next to it. Now type in the two-step verification code that will be sent on your mobile phone. Click on Confirm. On the next page, it says that you'll need to install an Authenticator app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app yet, you can simply go ahead and install the Authenticator app on your mobile device and scan this QR code with the Authenticator app. Grab a mobile device and go to your Play Store. Search for Google Authenticator. Once you find the application, download it on your smartphone. Once you're done with it, click on Open to launch the app open. Once you launch it open, tap on the plus button in the lower right-hand corner and click on Scan a QR code. Place the QR code reader within red lines and point it towards your screen where the QR code is available. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to add Coinbase on your Google Authenticator. Copy this verification code from your Google Authenticator app and type it into the text box. Click on Enable and you've successfully enabled the Google Authenticator for your Coinbase. Remember that enabling your Google Authenticator will disable SMS code delivery. Disabling it back again will re-enable SMS codes on your device. That is how you can easily add Coinbase to Google Authenticator. Google Authenticator provides an extra layer of security in addition to your password for Coinbase. When using an authenticator for your two-step verification codes, you'll still be protected even if your password is stolen and your phone number is ported. That was how you can easily add Coinbase to Google Authenticator. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.